Okay. Well, I was a bit bored today, so I went out looking for some extra puzzles to solve since, I normally will solve the two that are posted each day on Cracking the Cryptic. So I went to their Discord and I found this one. So we'll see. Maybe I'll solve a few extra today. Um, okay, so this is just the killer Sudoku. So 12K needs a 1 and a 2. 8 needs a 1. These are either 2, 3, or 1, 4. These both need a 9 in them. 9 plus 13. Okay, let's look at here. We have 35 here, so these add up to 10 as well. Okay, about this 39 cage. We have 7 digits that add up to 39, so they're missing 2 digits that add up to 6. This digit needs to go in here. This digit needs to go in here. Just mark that somehow. This digit's in here. This digit's in here. So this digit is in the 8 cage. This is a 9 cell cage, so this has all the digits from 1 to 9. This is a 7 cell cage, so it's missing 2 cells that add up to 7. So there might be some interaction here. So I just might need to mark some more cages. So this cell doesn't go in its row, in its box, it needs to go in here. This cell doesn't go. So that cell's in the 38 cage. So we know the 38 cage is missing either 1, 6, 2, 5, or 3, 4. This cage is one of these two. There's a 9 in here. This box needs a 9. If these are the same 22s, 3 of those 3 digits need to go here. What else is there to see? So 39 is missing either 1, 5 or 2, 4. Because it's missing 2 cells that add up to 6. So this 12 cage is either 1, 2, 3, 6 or 1, 2, 4, 5. So we know that there's 7, 8, and 9 in these 3 squares. And then there's the other 3, 6, or other 4, 5. So well, these cells obviously they add up to 33. So these two add up to 6. The purple digit goes in here. the smallest digit? I can put a 5 in here as the smallest digit. Well, this green this green digit can't go in here, or this green digit has to go in this 22 cage. So this has to be a 5. 5, 8, 9. Okay, good. This is a 1. Okay. And now this has to be 7, 8, 9, 3, 6, which means I need a 5 in here. This is get rid of these colors. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. This 11's not 2, 9, 3, 8, 5, 6. It has to be 4, 7. So this is a 2. This is a 1. I have to place 4 in here. This is a 7. This is a 5. 1 and 2 go in here. Thus, this is a 1, 2, 4. These are not 5, 8, or 9. Wait. Uh-oh. Did I screw something up? Oh, I forgot to put a 6 in here as a possibility. That's what I messed up. Okay, that scared me for a second. I thought I'd screwed up already. Okay. Next. What's next? So 9 doesn't go here, nor does it go any of these. So 9 isn't one of these two squares. We do need a 9 in this 38 cage because it's only missing 2 digits to add up to 7, which has to go here, which will put 9 here. So now that there's a 9 here, this 14 has to be 6, 8. We need an 8 in the 38 cage, but it could be in any of these 3 cells. Okay, come on, what's next? What's next? $12 can't be 3, 4, 5, so it needs either a 1 or a 2. That doesn't seem that helpful. What's the next thing I'm supposed to see? So this is missing 2 digits to add up to 7. So it can't be missing both of these. So these digits can't go here. So one of these digits goes in one of these squares. That doesn't seem all that helpful. I know the orange digit goes in this 12 cage. This digit's one of these two. Gray goes in the 22 cage. Okay, so if I have an 8 in this 22 cage, the 8 needs, so 8 can't go here. So 8 is in one of these cells. If I put an 8 here, that makes an 8-9 pair. And then that'll put a 5 here. Any problem with that? Yes, there is a problem with that. Because, okay, I see. Because I did need an 8 in this 38 cage. It's not in here or here. So the 8 does go here. That means this has to be 9, 6, 7. Okay, the 38 cage does not need a 6 though. It could be missing a 6, so I can't put a 6 here. 6, 7, and 9. 3 of these cages are 6, 7, and 9. So this is the last thing I got. Where does this lead me? Eight's not here. If this was 8, this is 9. 6, 7 would have to go here. Three, 6, 7. So the 38 needs a 7 in it. That could just be here. What's the next thing I'm supposed to think about? This 12 cage, does it need a 7? I think it does, right? Because if it doesn't have a 7, it's a maximum of 5, 4, what's our maximum of 9, 3, 4, 2. So this does need a 7 in it. So now I can place the 7 here in the 38 cage. But it's not here, nor is it here. And that means the 7 in this 9 cell cage has to go here. So this is 7 plus 5. Maybe it's a different 5 from this. So it's 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So if these digits are the same as these two digits, does that cause me any kind of issue? I think so, right? Because then I said that I can only miss one of these digits because I'm missing 2 digits adding up to 7 in this 38 cage. So I can't miss both of them in this 38 cage, but if this was the same 5 as this, they're missing here, here, here. So I can only put, no, that's fine. I can, no, that's fine. I can still put one of them here. That's all I need is one of them. No, nothing wrong with that. I did say that the orange digit had to go in here, right? Okay, come on, what's next? There's a 6 in one of these. this digit is not, so this is not in the 38 cage. If there is a 6 in the 38 cage, it has to go exactly here. But then if there's a 6, there would have to be a 1. Maybe I need to look somewhere else. The last thing I got was the 7s. Last thing I got was the 7s. This is with 1 4 or 2 3. This could be so many different things. We said that these add up to 10. So it said a 2 5 or 3 4. One 2 5, 1 3 4. So 6 is either in here or here. I haven't used this 11 cage, but I don't think I can know enough about this. I haven't used any of these cages, but I know absolutely nothing here. Where is it I'm meant to look? So this digit has to be orange or gray, because if it's not orange or gray, it can't go in this 9-cell cage. So this is one of these two. Well, I know that gray is 6, 7, or 9. Can't be 9 because 9 in this box is here. Orange can't go in here. Also can't go here. Orange is here, it's there. Orange is here, it could be any of these. I feel like I got off to such a nice start, but now I'm just stuck. So I know orange goes in this 12 cage. If it's 2, it's in there with a 3. If it's a 1 4, it's in there with the other 1 4. So let's say this is 1. This is 7, 1 4. This a 2. Does this do anything? Like what does this do? I have 2 digits missing from this cage. This is one of them. It sees the entirety of the cage. And this digit goes in one of these two. So, I don't know. This feels like it's just bifurcating. If this is 7, this is a 1, 2, or 4 because it has to be this digit. Now this digit goes in here with orange. Oh, well this, yeah, okay. This digit doesn't go in here. So this digit goes in here and must go in this 12 cage. So this is a 1, 4. Okay, and then this digit can go in either of these 2 squares. I don't need colors anymore on these. Purples and one of these 2. Oh, no, that was just a... Okay, so I need to place... I need to place a 3 and a 6 in this row. So this is either a 3 or 6. So, given that orange is in this box, it means, what's it mean? If it's 1, I need a 6. If it's 4, I need a 3. So if this is a 1, I need to place a 6 here. Does this do anything? And this digit's 4 and it's not in this cage. Other digits in here are 5, 2. Wait, there's something here. These are 2, 3, and 5. So if these are 2, 5, I feel like there's something here that corresponds with the missing digits in this cage, but I just can't quite wrap my head around it right now. Oh, well, this digit in this box has to go in. This digit in this box doesn't go in here, so that goes in here. Okay, what does this all mean? there going to be a problem if this is 1, 4? If this is 1, 4, 1, 4 goes in here. That seems fine. Ah, jeez. What am I supposed to see? So let's just go for it. If this is a 1, 4, this has to be purple, this has to be orange. So now orange is out. Oh, wait a minute. That means I can't put green in the box. That's what it right, that's what it means. Because 1, 4 can't go here. And if 1, 4 is in here, it needs to go here, and then I can't put this digit in this box. This is what I mean. So this is 2, 3. Now 2, 3 doesn't go here. Only one of them can go here. So if the other one is in this cage, it has to go exactly here. No, these two digits can't go in here. Because 2, 3 can't be either these digits, they can't be either of these digits. So neither 2 nor 3 is in here anywhere. And one of them does need to be in the box, so it's in here with the 9. That means there is for sure a 5 here. Well, I need to place a 2. It has to go here. So I'm missing one of 2, 3, and that means I do need a 6 in there. I need 1 and 6 because I'm either missing 2, 5, or 3, 4. So 6 doesn't go in here, here, here. This has to be a 6, and now this has to be gray. So now 7 is green, and it had to go in the cage. So this is purple 1, 4, this is orange 1, 4. Oh, and I need a 1 too, right? I need a 1 because I need to go with 6, so this can't be a 1. So the 2, 3 is in here, so I need the... Well, now I can't put a 4 in this cage, which means I need to not also have a 3 in it. So the 2 goes here, the 5 goes here. And now this is a 2. Is this just, what is this digit? So I need to place a 3. I need to place 3, 8, 9, 5 in here. Oh, Oh, 5 just has to go here. 3, 8, 9. This is not 3. 3, 9. Oops, 3, 9. These digits are 1 and 4. Placing 4 in here, along with 3 or 8. So this is not 8. This is 3 or 4. Which means this can no longer be 1, 3, 4. This has to be 1, 2, 5. Oh, there's a 6 looking at this. Oops. This is a 3 or 8. This is 6 because it can't be a 3 anymore. This is no longer 5, 6, 2, 9. It could be 3, 8. Wait, it can't. What? It can be 4, 7 or 3, 8. Okay, we don't know yet. This isn't 1. Three, 5. We know what these are. These are 3 and 9. And these are 7 and 8. 4, 7 looking at that. Six is now here. This isn't 6. These are 1, 2, and 3. Isn't 1. That makes a 2, 3 pair here, which means my low digit has to be 4 in here. This isn't 6. 7, 6. This isn't a 9. So this is a 5 or 8 here. I can't see. And I said these two digits need to add up to 10, so I can't put an 8 there. There's a 3 in here. 5, 8, and 9. So I need a 7 in here. And there's a 1 in here, but the 1 can't go in the 12 cage. I can't see. So the 1 goes in here. 3 goes in one of these. 7 goes in one of these. Is there anything more there? This can't be 4, 8. So it's either 3, 9 or 5, 7. Oh, it's not 3, 9. Oops. This is 5, 7. This is 1, 3, 9. This is 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 5, 9, 8, 5. This is into 2. 9, 2, 2, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, 4's here, put it here, 6, 8, 8. So now this is not 3, 8. It's not 3, 8, 2, 9. It has to be, it's not 5, 6. It has to be 4, 7. 6, 7, 5, 4, 4, 7, 4, 6, 9, 3, 6, and 8. These digits are 3 and this is 9. Need to place 2 and 5. Oh, 2 more. 9 and 3. Woo! Okay. That was fun. Um, well, honestly, I don't mind going on to one more puzzle, so let me just take a quick look at this Cracking the Cryptic Discord, see if I can find another puzzle to solve. Problem is I've done so many of these, I don't know which ones I've done. Classic technique. I don't know if I like classic Sudokus all that much. Okay. Hotbox 159. Okay, different type of app, but I think I've used this one before. I don't like it anywhere near as much as this Cracking the Cryptic app, but let's take a look. This is 159 Sudoku, but for boxes. Digits in box 1 indicate the box where 1 is in the same position. If row 3, column 2 is a 6, then row 6, column 8 is a 1. Okay, so this means, for example, if this were a 5, it would mean in box 5 the 1 has to go in that position. I'm not entirely sure I'm understanding the rules correctly. Okay, let's, and then there's a X that sums to 10. I've never seen a puzzle like this before, but let's just try it. So I guess I have to start by thinking about where 1s can go in this box. If a 1 goes here, digits in box 1 indicate the box where 1 is in the same position. So the 1, actually no, maybe the 1 isn't where to start, because that 1's completely unrestricted, because no matter where I put the 1, that satisfies the constraint that, you know, the 1's in the same position in box 1. Maybe I should then think about 5s and 9s. So for example, where does the 9 go in this box? So obviously I can't put it anywhere here. If it's on the line, it would have to go here. But that would mean I need to put a 1 here, which I obviously cannot do because that's on a thermo. So I can't put the 9 there. If I put the 9 here, that puts the 1 on the thermo, not on the bulb, so it can't go there. So 9's in one of these squares, which means 1's in one of these squares. Okay. And then I guess, so the 1's and the 9's then reference each other. Wherever the 9 goes, that's going to put the 1 there, and then the 1 will reference where the 9 goes. So then let's maybe think about where 1 and 9 go in this cage then. So 1 can't go I'm gonna have to be right back, so I'll continue this in a second. Okay, let's resume. So I don't think it was, as I thought about it, it's not as interesting where 1 and 9 go here because that's going to place the 5. So instead I want to think about where 5 goes in this cage because that's going to put the, wait, do I have this backwards? Right, the 5 in this cage is going to place the 1 in this cage. Right, okay, so now that this isn't 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, so 5 would have to be in here, so 5 can't be in the bulb, which means 1 can't be in the bulb here. So 5 can't be in any of these spots. That's not helpful. Maybe think about the 5 here. So the 5 here places the 9 here. So 5 can't go here. This is difficult. 5 can't go here. No, 5 can't go here. Because 9 can't go in these three. How am I supposed to do this? Maybe I'm just not thinking about this in the right way. Do I have the rules correct? So 9 here would mean that digits in box 1 indicate the box where the 1 is in the same position. So yes, 9 here would mean that the box, the 1, is in the same position. So it's only these boxes though, it's not every box. So does that mean 5 has to be, if this is 9 and this is 1, that doesn't mean this has to be 5. So maybe I need to look, so 9 can't be here, which means 2 cannot be here. Also 9 can't be here, which means 3 cannot be here. So 2 and 3 have to be up here. And then 1 cannot be in boxes 7 and 8 on any of the bottom 3 squares. So it means I can't put 7 and 8 here. So it means either one of 7 or 8 is on this. If 8's here, it has to be exactly here. But then this could be, so this has to be either 7 or 8. So that means the 1 in this position is either in box 7 or box 8. If this was 8, 7, we would go 8, 7 with the 1s. And then by that mirror logic, I need one of 2 or 3 on this thermo because I need 2 and 3 in this. So this cell has to be a 2 or a 3. So it means the 9 is either here or here. And if this is 2, 3, we got 9 here in box 2, here in box 3. Okay, where's this supposed to lead me though? This is a 3, this has to be a 2. This is a 2, 3 goes in one of these 2 squares. So 2 is in one of these 2 squares, which means the 9 in box 2 is in one of these 2 squares. And 3 is either here or it's here. Or it's here. 3 could be in one of 3 squares though. Okay, I don't have anything else to go on. So 7. So 8 is either here or here, which means the 1 in box 8 is in one of these two. And 7 could be in any of these squares, meaning the 1 goes here in box 7. But what it means is that this is not a 1, 9. So the 9 can't go in either of these two squares, which means I can't place a 7 in one of these two squares. So what does this mean? Can't place a 7 here. Something, how about if I put a 7 here? That would force 2, 3. 7. And then that forces a 9 here. I put a 7 here, that forces 9 here. And I force a 1 here, which means box 7. I'm not sure I'm using these rules to their fullest extent. I also haven't thought about anything here. So these digits tell me the box in which the 5 goes the same position. So if 1 were here, 5 would be here. So 1 here places 5 here, but it also places 1 here, which means 8, 7. Okay, that's fine. I don't know if I can't wrap my head around this right now. There's things going through my brain, but I can't quite. 2 can't go here, which means 1 can't go here. 1 in here would require 2 in here. So for example, 1 in this row is in one of these two. So let's think about this. If one were to go here, it means I would need a 5 here. But if 1 were to go in any of these, then I would need a 2 in the corresponding spot. Well, 1 just can't go here then, because I can't put a 2 here. But I can put a 2 here. Wait, no, I can't put a 2 here, because if I put a 2 here, I put a 1 here. And that breaks. So 1 is in one of these two spots. So we either have a 2 here or a 5 here. Okay. But there's nothing comparable for the 9, is there? Well, I guess 9 can't go here. Or can I go here or here? So 9 goes in one of these squares down here. If 9 goes here, I need an 8 here. That's fine. If 9 goes here, I need an 8 here, which is not fine because then I couldn't put a number bigger than it there. If 9 goes here, I need an 8 here, which is not fine. But if 9 goes here, I need a 5 here. So 1's here, 9 is here. Okay, what happens if I put a 1 here? I put a 5 here and that breaks, so I can't place a 1 here. If I place a 1 on either of these squares, then 1 goes here, 5 goes there. 2 goes here. 1, 2. 1 goes here, meaning I need an 8 here. So I got 2 here, 8 here. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. If 1 goes here, I don't know. Maybe that's not where I'm supposed to be looking. 9 goes here, 8 goes here. Does this do anything? If I put 9 here, 8 goes here. 9 in this box has to go here. Meaning 3 goes here. Has to go here, which means I need 7 here or here. Not all x's are given, so there's no negative constraint, so I can't. Maybe there was something there, because I can't. Maybe I need to think about where 9 can go in this box. I already said it can't go in here, because I can't put a 1 with it. If I put 9 here, I'd have to put 7 here. So if I put 9 here, it'd have to go here. Which means what? Nine goes here, 7 goes here. So it's either the case that 7's here, or 7's here. 7 has to go on the outside. And I know I can't put a 5 here, which means I can't put a 7 here. Can't put a 7 there. Maybe I need to think about something else. Maybe I need to think about, what do I need to think about? Nine and this is kind of not useful to think about, right? Is it? Well, let's say I put 9 here. It just means that 9 goes there, meaning that 5 goes here. Nine goes in here now, meaning that 7 goes here. This has to be a 1 at this point. That means in box, yeah, box 5, we already got this dealt with. 9 here means that the 1 here means that this is 9. And then there was a 9 in here, meaning 9 goes here, which means I need to place a 4 here. And this has to be a 4. This has to be 2, 3. So in box 2, the 9 goes here, and 3, it goes here. I'm just guessing at this point. But then it means 6 has to go here. Now these are 7, 8. I mean, this worked out perfectly fine, did it not? It's just that this has to be the 6, the 9. There's nothing wrong with this. If I were to change this spot, would it have done anything? Would 9 being here be an issue? I mean, it would be nice if I could prevent 9 from being here, because then that means 3 can't be here. Okay, 9 goes here. Oh, that breaks. That breaks because now I can't put the 9 being here means 5 would have to go there. If 9 goes here, 9 still goes here. 5, 1. And now this breaks too, because now 9 has to go 9 has to go here to put the 1 in the same spot. And now I cannot place 9 in this box, because I can't place 9 here, because it requires 7 here. Can't place 9 here, because I can't go with a 1. So what that means is 9 does go in one of these 3 squares. If we're not here, putting a 3 here. And that means 9 has to go here, placing a 4 here. 4 can't go there. 4 is in here. No, sorry, 6 is in here. So this is box 6, not box 4. Is this going to end up with like striping in some way? Okay. Do I have to look at something similar in box 1? What would that something similar be? Because in this case, I was able to restrict 9 to here. I mean, I can restrict 1 to here or something. Because if 1 goes in one of these squares, that's going to force something here. So I'm imagining this one. I'm imagining 1's going to be restricted here, but let's just take a look. If 1 goes here, that'll force 1 here. 1 being here forces 5 here. I'm not sure if I see what this does, especially compared to that other with the 9. Oh, that forces a 9 here. No, it doesn't. It just means 9. Means this just can't be 1. Not seeing what that does. So I can't put 1 anywhere here. Can I rule 1 out of these squares then? If I put 1 here, that means 1 being here forces a 7 here. I'm really not seeing what this does. One here forces a 1 here, therefore 7 here. Now this has to be 8. 1 goes here. 1's here forcing a 5 there. 6 would have to go here. Oh, that would break, because now 1 would have to go here. So 1 can't go here. What it means is I can't have consecutive digits in a... So I can't have, for example, 5, 6, because that would put 1 in the same spot like this. So for example, if this was a 3, if this was a 4, let's imagine this was a 4, right? Now the 9 goes in here, then I can't place 5 or 6 here, right? I can't place 5 or 6 here. So now this one needs to skip straight to 7, 8, 9, and this breaks because the 9 would need to go here in box 8. So this can't be a 4, so this has to be a 3. Because if it's a 5, the same thing happens. I can't put a 6 here. It'd have to go 7, 8, 9. I think this has to be a 3. Meaning 9 goes here and here. Now there's no problem with this being a 4. But this, there's no problem with it being a 6 either. And then something similar here, maybe. for example, if this is a 4, what happens? I put the 1 here, and therefore I can't place a 5 or a 6 here. That's fine, I can put a 7 there, there's nothing wrong with that. Maybe I need to look at this. So if this is a 4, then I can't place 5 or 6 on the next digit, and that would be way too high. So if this is a 1, 2, or 3, if it's a 2, oh, this can't be a 2. If it's a 3, the 1 goes here. So consecutive digits in from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are problems this way, but then digits that are like 3 apart are problems column-wise. So if this is a 7, this can't be a 4. If this is 8, this can't be a 5. Now what? Does this 9 tell me anything? I can't place 9 here. Nine goes here, 5 goes there, which breaks, so 9 can't go here. There's 1 digit missing from this. Well, I mean, I could. Six. I need to put a 4 or 5 here. 4 or 5. Can't. So this digit can't be a 5. This can't be a 7, right? Can't be a 5. 6. I can't. This is it. This is either 4 or 6. So 9 goes either here or here. If this is 6, this is 4. Putting 9 here, here, then one of these two. If 9's here, we place 5 here. Maybe I should think about 5 in this box. 5 can't go here. And this digit can't be a 4. This is either a 6 or 7 because it can't be an 8. 6 or 7. And 9 can't go here. So this had to be a 6. Oh. 9. That puts 9 in one of these two squares, which puts 5 in one of these two squares. This is 7, 8, or 9. Eight places 9 here. So 9's in one of these two squares and in one of these two squares. Oh, so 1 doesn't go here. So 1 doesn't go here, 9 doesn't go here. It could be an 8. Can't be a 7. So I can't put 1 here. I could put 5. Can't put 6. I can't put 7 because I can't put 9 here. This is a 5 or 8. Oh, yeah. We should have known that because we knew that 9. We should have already known that because we know that 9 goes in one of these two squares. So if we go 5, 8, 1, 7, and 9, we'll place 9 here. That's fine. If I place 9 here, 9 would have to go here. 9 here, places 1 here, places 9 here, places 9 here. 5, 1. Would this break? Hold on. I can't. Seven needs to go here. These are now 8 and 9, and 9 goes here. That seems fine. Nothing wrong with that. This has been really slow progress. This is tough. I just don't know if I'm just not seeing it. Goes here, 9 goes there, 5 goes there. 9 goes here, 8 goes here, 5 goes here. So I got a lot of these 9s. What's the next thing I need to look at? Like, this is pretty well. 9's either this position, either here. It's in 9's in one of these squares. Okay, maybe I need to look more at this. So there's no problem if this is 7. If this is 6, what happens? Puts a 1 here. Puts a 1 here, puts a 2 here. One here, puts a 1 here, puts a 9 there. Nine here, places 7 here. This is a 5. 1, 1, 2. This is a 5. Does something go wrong if this is a 5? 5, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, this breaks. This is not a 5, so this is 6, 7, or 8. So I could put a 1 there. But this is not a 3. This is a 3, this is a 1, that breaks. Can this be a 2? No, this can't be a 2 either. 2, because that put a 1 here. So this is at least a 4. 4, put a 1 here. It's not a 5. It's not a 6. I think this exactly has to be a 4 then. Can't be 7. Putting 1 here. And now this could be a 5. It also could be a 6. Okay, 5 or 6, we don't know. So, now what? Three, 1. This can't be a 3. So 1 can go here or here in this box. 1 can't go here. 1 here puts a 2 there. The next thing I'm supposed to see. Maybe I need to think about if this can be a 6. Put a 1 here. Wait, no, that can't be a 6 now. Duh, I already had looked at that. This can't be a 6. Because if this was a 6, then 1 would have to be here. So these are 7 and 8, which has to be in this order. Which means the box in box 8, 1 is here, in box 7 it's here. So 1 is in one of these two squares. 1's here, it's here. I'm going to get rid of these pencil marks just because these 9s are confusing. I know 9's here, 1's here. Two goes here, 1 goes here, 2 goes here, 1 goes here. goes in one of these three. One can't go here because then I couldn't place 5 or 6 there. One goes here, 5, 9, 6. So this can't be 4, 6. It's either 3, 7, 7, or 2, 8. That's not really helpful, I don't think. I have to start thinking about this box now. Nine goes here. Meaning that 5 goes here. We already know that. Are the middles under any sort of pressure? But there's no... It's not like a disjoint set type of thing. It's only 1, 5, and 9. Nines in one of these two squares. So means this is a 1 or a 7. Nine in the top left square can only go in this or this square, so this is an 8 or 9. 9 in the leftmost square can go either here. Oh, this is no longer an 8. Nine in the bottom middle square is 5 or 8. 9 in the bottom left square is either 1, 7. It can be anywhere. 1, 7, 1, 5, 7, 8. There's just no restriction whatsoever. Or it could just be a 9. Absolutely no restriction whatsoever. So what's the next thing I'm supposed to look at? Maybe I don't know. 1's in here, 9's in, therefore 9's in here. The ones I don't have nearly as restricted as the 9s, so I can't do that same kind of logic with the ones. Thinking about, where's the top left one? this square could be a 1, a 2, can't be a 3, can't be a 4. Why can't it be? That can't be a 4. Can't be a 5, because that would break 5, 6 here, yes. Can't be a 7, 8. Or 9. Hold on, this is just a 1 or a 2. So I said the consecutive digits have a problem. Oh, this can't be an 8 because that would put a 9 right here. No, that put a 9 here, sorry. My brain's ceasing to work right now. No problem with this being an 8. Do I have to start looking at this? I just don't know if this tells me anything. Well, the 1 being here means 5 needs to be in one of these two squares. Means 5 can't be here, here, here. So 5 is in either here or here. If this is 5, does that do anything? If this is 5, that places a 4 here. Now this has to be a 3, 1, 2. That breaks because I can't put a 5 here. Right? Yes. Yes. So this is not the 5. This is not the 5. This is not the 5. This has to be 5 now. Oh, I don't know if this is how I meant to do this puzzle, by the way. I have no idea whatsoever if this is how I'm supposed to do this puzzle, if there's some other way through it. Places 1 here. That's going to place 6 here. Okay, keep moving, keep moving. Doesn't go here. So 5 goes in one of these squares, meaning 7 needs to go in one of these squares, but 7 clearly can't go on this bulb. Maybe I should look at 5 in this box, because I can't put 8 in either of these squares. So 5 has to go here, therefore it does go here. Putting a 7 here. 5 being here puts an 8 here. What does that do? doesn't go in here. 5 goes in here, 2 goes in there, so it can't. 5 can't go here. 5 goes in here. Can't be here. So now 2 goes down here. 5 being in here puts 5 here, which means 3 needs to go in one of these two squares. But 3 can't go there because I can't put a 2 before it. So this is a 3, this is a 5. This is either 4, 5, or 6. This can't be a 4 because I can't put 5 there. Also can't be a 6 because I can't put a 5 there. This is a 5. It's not a 5. Which I already knew because I couldn't put 8 there. Five in here. Can't be here. So 5 in here means 6 here. 5 in here means 4 here. Okay. Now what? Are there any of these that are kind of incompatible with each other? I don't think so. Six, 5, 2, 5. 4, 5. No, this is going to break, isn't it? 8, 5. If this is 6, it forces 2, 4, 8, and I can't put 6 and 8 here. Wait, no, I messed something up. Did I mess something? This is so hard to follow. 6 here forces 2, 5, 5. No, sorry. 5 would go here then, because the 2 goes here. 8, 5, 4, 5. No, that would be perfectly fine. Okay, maybe that's not where to look. Oh, 1 goes in here, meaning 3 has to go here. So now this is a 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. This is not a 9. So now 1 goes here, 2. What does that do for me? maybe I should put these 4, 8, 6, 8. I think these are all, oops, I think these are all correct placement possibilities for all these digits. Box 4, the 5 is here. In box 8, it's here. Box 6, it's what, these 3. There's a 5, there's a 9. Gotta put 6 here. Will that like lead to a deadly pattern or something? Because it's not going to have to be like not a 9 for uniqueness. I don't like to use uniqueness to solve, but this is a 9, 5. This will be a 6, 5, 5, 4, 8, 5, 2, 5. This is a 6. 5 goes here. Therefore, this would not be able to be a 4. This is 6. This is the 4 then. Yeah, it's just, all that's going to happen is these are going to shift around like this. Maybe something else will disambiguate that. I said 9 can't be here. Right, so now 9 goes in one of these two squares, which now makes this, oh, this is not a 7 now because of that 5. Okay, hold up. That's going to do everything, isn't it? All we have to do is actually look around, huh? That did a lot of stuff. Hold up. So the 5 goes here, meaning that I need the 8 here. I need the 6 here, putting 5 there. This is 9, yes. This is now 2, putting 5 here. It's now 4, putting 5 there. I think I got all my 5s in. Yes, I do. There can't be that much left then. Ones here in box 3 are 6. Yes. Nine's here. What digits do I have here? I have 2, 7, and 6. I got all the 5s in. I can't double click to check all the 5s. I do have all the 5s in. Nine's here, 9's here. That's what the 1, 7 tells us. The rest just has to be Sudoku and this 10, right? I don't see what else. What else am I supposed to see? 8 was one of these two. 7 goes in one of these two. What's restricted? I wish I could just click the numbers to quickly check where everything can go. 2s, 3s, 4s. I got the 5s in. 7. 2 and 6. Are these a 2, 6, 7 triple? Where does 2, 6, and 7 go in this? Well, 2 and 6 don't go anywhere here. Seven doesn't go here, so 7 could go here. 2, 6. Wow, it's been over an hour. Really just dragging myself through this so slowly. Three doesn't go here. 6 doesn't go. 6 goes here. Oh, okay. 6 goes in there. Therefore, this is not a 6. This is a 6. This isn't a 6. 6 goes here, but not there. 6. Six goes in here. Thus in here. What are these 3 digits? 3, 4, and 8. 3. Oops. 3 in here, puts a 3 in here. 4 and 8, huh? Three and 4. 3 has to go here. What else is there to see? This digit needs to go there. 2 or 7. Oh, duh, 2, 7 in this. Man. Oops. What did I do? 2, 7, 3. This is 4, 8. This is 4, 8. I need a 2 in here. I need a 7 in here. Well, this isn't a 4 or an 8, so this is 6 or 7. 6 or 7. Oh, this isn't the 7. Oops, not a 7. This is the 7. Put 7 down here. Oh, there's a 3 looking right at that. So that's going to mean the one in box 6 is here. You have a 2 and an 8 to place. 2. Eight's here. 6, 7, 3, 9, 3. So now that means 1, 7, box 3, 1. 9, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4, 4, 6, 7, and what to place in here? 8. Okay, we have 4. We need a 2 and 6. We need 4, 3, 3, 6. We need a 2. We need a 7 and an 8. 6, 8, 7. Oh my. Oh, that was brutal. I don't know. I just took such a long time at the start. Thankfully, there's a video of a solve here, and I'm probably going to check that out to see if there was some kind of logic that I was not seeing at all, or if I did see the logic and I was just really slow about it. But I'm going to take a break here from the stream, but I'll be back to solve the 2 crafting the cryptic puzzles later today. I don't know if I'll do those both at once or one at a time.